Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make my favorite chicken stew. As chicken stew can be used to eat varieties of dishes, I normally make large quantity of it and put in my freezer and bring it out whenever I want to eat some things like yam, beans, rice, potato, you just name it. To start with, I have to make the tomato puree first. I'll be using 2 different kinds of red pepper and some tomatoes. I will also be using some basil leaves. The smaller red pepper is actually mild chili pepper, and because it's chili, I'm gonna be taking off the seeds before I blend it all. I'm not going to be using canned tomato paste. This red pepper will give me what canned tomato paste would have given me, that is the reddish color and the thickness. After blending your tomato, pepper, onions and fresh garlic, pour them in a pot and boil it. Boil it until the water is dry. It is better for you to leave the pot open while you are boiling it. Make sure the water is completely dry, otherwise you're gonna have lots of splatter when you start frying the tomatoes. Prepare your chicken and season it very well. Put on a separate pot to cook. Put some vegetable oil or any oil of your choice in a heated pan to fry the tomato puree. I just love the sound of chopped onions in a hot oil. I'm going to be frying this tomato puree until it's very dry. That will take about 45 minutes to an hour to fry. How do you know when the tomato is fried? Looking at the tomato now, you can see it's looking very fresh. By the time it's fried, you will see how dry looking it will be. The tomato is fried dry now. If I fry this tomato more than this, my stew is going to be looking very dark. I'll leave the tomato for a minute while I prepare the basil. Basil leaves is a special herb with a special aroma that fills the whole house once you put it in your stew. Add the parboiled chicken with its stock, add the chopped basil and some water and mix it. At this point, I have not added any seasoning to the stew. That is because the chicken stock is filled with seasoning. I'm going to taste it first to know the quantity of extra seasoning I'll be adding. I have added some chicken stock, all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. My stew is still a bit too thick, so I'm gonna add a bit more water. Mix it very well, taste for salt, cover the pot and boil it for about 20 minutes. Remember to turn your stew in between cooking to prevent it from burning. My stew has been cooking for about 30 minutes now. The chicken is finally done. I can put up the heat now and drain the excess oil if I want to. I've dished out my stew in a plastic plate. I'll allow it to cool down and put in my freezer. I'll bring it out anytime I want to eat any dishes like rice, beans, plantain, yam, potato, or even okra soup. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you real soon. Bye.